अस्सलाम वालेकुम बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स। माशाल्लाह, वालेकुम अस्सलाम। आप लोग बाकायदगी से मुझे सलाम का जवाब देते हैं। वेरी गुड, दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। ओके, नाउ टुडे we are sequencing and proofreading our 5 senses of lassi. Well done. Now, who can tell me what goes first? Yes. जी? Okay. Very good. ठीक है, आप कह रही हैं आँखें पहले होती हैं, फिर उसके बाद नाक है, फिर होंठ है, मुंह, फिर कान और फिर हाथ. Do you want to do it like that? Okay. So, looking at the eyes, what can you tell me? Sequencing. Yes. Good. We can see the color of the lassi. Very good. What else can you see? You can see the cuboid of ice cubes. Very, very good. What else can you see? You can see the color of the lassi. Very good. And you can see, okay. कि अगर okay. All right. आपकी फ्रेंड ने पता क्या कहा है कि हम ये भी देख सकते हैं कि लस्सी गाढ़ी है या पतली है, तो इसको हम कहेंगे we can also see the consistency of the lassi. Consistency उसकी क्या, वो बिल्कुल पानी है, छाछ जिसे हम कहेंगे, या ज़रा थिक है और उसमें मलाई है और इस तरह करके दही की मलाई, तो वो ज़रा गाढ़ी है. Okay, good. What else can you see? The color, white, okay. And if it's a savory lassi, you can see the cumin seeds and the mint leaves. Very good. The brown cumin seeds, which are small, okay. And the green, very good. The small green leaves of mint, which are finely cut into the lassi. Very good. So that is what you can see. Now, उन्होंने यही कहा था ना, ऊपर से चलते हुए नीचे आए. After our eyes comes our nose. नाक से क्या आती है? Smell. What can you smell about the lassi? Please wait. Very good. You can smell the word I gave you. खुशबू English में. Aroma. Well done. The aroma of the dry roasted cumin seeds. Cumin seeds क्या है? ज़ीरा. Very good. So मम्मी ने शायद तवे पे सेके हों ज़ीरे, हैं, ज़ीरा सेका हो, फिर उसको कूटा होगा किसमें? इमाम दस्ता. उसके इंग्लिश में मैंने क्या प Very good. Pestle and mortar. Well done. आपको तो याद है सब. Okay, so you can smell the ground cumin seeds as they are roasted. What else? Very good. You can also smell the mint leaves when you're drinking it. Okay, what else can you smell? Anything else? No. All right. What else is there then in the lassi? Please tell me. Good. Very good. We can. Now we're coming to the mouth. Taste. What can you taste in lassi? Yes. The temperature, ठंडी है या कुनकुनी. कुनकुनी कुनकुनी तो खैर कोई भी नहीं पीता. ठंडी, really cold lassi. And we can taste the cold lassi. What else? गला खराब हो जाता है. Exactly. What else? What else can you taste? Very good. There's cumin seeds, the mint leaves, the salt. Very good. And if it's a sweet one, you can taste the sugar content. Very good. What else can we taste? Very good. The creamy yogurt or very good. Either the cream of the yogurt, dahi ki malai, ya the cream of the milk, doodh ki malai. Very good. You can taste it. और अलग उसकी टेस्ट होती है. दूध की मलाई की अलग है, दही की मलाई की अलग टेस्ट है. Good. Now, after tasting, one, sight, we've done that. Smell, we've done that. Taste, we've done that. Two more are left. Hear. What can you hear? Very good. The sizzling of the cumin seeds in the kitchen. The griddle. तवे को क्या कहते हैं? Griddle. तवा, griddle. 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 Good. So, तवे पे या griddle पे मम्मी सेकती हैं cumin seeds. So you can, what can you do? You can smell it, but you can also hear. Very good, because it pops if you're very near. What else? बहुत ज़ोर से आवाज़ आती है उसकी. Good. When she is crushing it in the pestle and mortar. और ये क्या चीज़ थी याद करो? Amamdasta. Very good. Now, after that, what else can you hear? Very good. When mummy brings the tray full of glasses, you can hear the क्या अल्फाज था? Tinkling. Well done. आपको तो सारी vocabulary आती है. Well done. The tinkling of the glasses, and when she's pouring the lassi into the glasses, and the plop of the ice cube. Very good. And then when you're drinking it, और हल्का हल्का उसका ice cube. Exactly. When the ice cube is in the glass and you're shaking it around to make it cooler. Very good. It hits the corner of the glass. तो ज़रा सी आवाज़ आती है. Good. What else? Oh dear. Okay. You can still hear the burp of your brother. भाईजान जब भी पीते हैं तो उनको डकार आती है. Okay. Well done. So that's what we can hear. What's left? What can you feel? Yes. Very good. Excellent. Really? Okay, just listen to this. अभी ये क्या कह रही हैं? कह रही हैं हम लोग जब पीते हैं और अगर गाढ़ी गाढ़ी मलाई होती है तो हम जब पी रहे होते हैं हमारी मूंछें बन जाती हैं इतनी गाढ़ी उससे. So, आप क्या फील करती हैं फिर? Exactly. The thickness of the cream. Either वो yogurt की हो या milk. Very good. So you can feel the texture of the milk or cream of the milk and yogurt. Good. Now, what else can you feel? The coldness of or touch. Yes. Very good. Excellent. When the ice cube comes to your lips, you can feel the coldness of the ice cube. Very good. What else can you touch or feel? The cold glass, the cold jug. What else? Very good. वो जो पानी की बाहर बूंदें बन जाती हैं, condensation. Very good word. ये किसने सिखाया condensation? Science. Mummy is a science teacher. Okay, well done. All right, so we have now sequenced everything. So what I would like you to do, boys and girls, is to proofread it. Remember your punctuation. What else do you remember? Neat handwriting. And then what do you do? Good. Then you screenshot. Yes. Send a screenshot to your teacher. Allah Hafiz.